Want to create this cinematic character intro in PowerPoint? First, add 4 character images. Rotate them and arrange them like this. Then group them all together. Change the background fill to a blue gradient. Next, insert a few rounded rectangles. Group them together and send them to the back. Insert an image, then cut it. Under Fill, choose Picture or Texture Fill and select Clipboard. Finally, add Odysseus' character description. Duplicate the slide, rotate the female character into place, insert a new image, cut it, then replace the background image. Change the background gradient to red as well. Add the new character description. Copy the queen's name and paste it onto the previous slide. Then move it to the bottom. Copy Odysseus' name to the second slide and move it to the top. This helps make the transition much smoother. Copy the text in the bottom right corner and paste it onto the previous slide, then move it to the bottom. Copy the bottom right text from the first slide and paste it onto the second slide, then move it to the right. Now, just add Morph to the second slide. Let's play it and see. Isn't that animation smooth? Using the same method, create 2 more slides. Use different names and backgrounds. Just paste in the characters and rotate them into position. And remember to add Morph to the third and fourth slides as well. And your Odyssey character introduction is done. Follow me for more.